You're on camera. Say something. Say, where's Mommy?
Mommy, Daddy.
Mommy and Daddy. You giving me a kiss?
Thank you.
You want to see the other side? Well, there's Mommy. Achoo!
What's here?
Look at her feet.
You're wearing Daddy's socks. That's kind of weird. Why are you wearing Daddy's socks? Have fun getting them off.
Help her.
She's got to figure it out on her own. I'll get you started. Oh, no. I'll get you started on this one. You can do the rest. Pull! Pull hard. You almost got it. You almost got it. You getting mad? You getting mad? You got to figure out how to do it on your own. There you go.
Yay!
You feel better now? Why are you so grumpy? Hey! Psst. One, 2, 3. Cover your mouth because that's rude.